Hey guys, I'm Khan. Did you know your kidneys, those tiny filters in your body, could be silently failing, especially if you're over 60? Stick with me for 3 minutes to uncover the sneaky signs of chronic kidney disease, how to dodge it, and here's the kicker, are you covered by Social Security if things go south? Let's dive in. Your kidneys filter your blood every 30 minutes, keeping you alive. But for men over 60, they're under attack. What's the silent killer creeping up? And why might Social Security say no to your claim? Stay tuned to find out. Chronic kidney disease, or CKD, is sneaky. You might feel tired, have swollen feet or ankles, or notice you're peeing more or less than usual. Worst part? Early on, you might feel nothing. That's right, no warning signs until it's serious. Scary, huh? But don't worry, I'll show you how to catch it early. So, who's at risk? If you're over 60, your odds go up. Add diabetes or high blood pressure, boom, your kidneys are working overtime. 1 in 7 men over 60 has CKD, and most don't even know it. Family history or smoking. That's another red flag. Curious about how to protect yourself? Keep watching. Here's the good news. You can fight back. Control your blood pressure and blood sugar. Get them checked regularly. Swap salty snacks for fresh veggies. And guys, go easy on painkillers like ibuprofen. They can hammer your kidneys. Drink plenty of water to keep those filters clean. Simple, right? But there's one test you need to know about next. Get your GFR and creatinine tests. Simple blood and urine checks that spot CKD early. Early detection can save your kidneys. And hydration? It's your secret weapon. But here's the big question, if CKD hits, will Social Security have your back? Let's find out. Good news, Social Security disability covers CKD if it's severe, like stage 4 or 5, needing dialysis or a transplant. But here's the catch, claims get rejected if medical records don't show listing level severity, like specific lab results or complications. No clear proof of kidney failure or related issues like severe fatigue or heart problems. Your claim might get denied. Always document your symptoms and tests. Men over 60, your kidneys are your lifeline. Test early, live smart, and keep those filters strong. Hit subscribe for more health tips, and let's keep you thriving.